Most long-read sequencing providers offer a standard menu of services and data packages that are dished out to each researcher, without consideration of their needs or specific tastes. And you're left paying for everything provided, whether you want it or not. Dicel Arbor Biosciences takes a different approach entirely. With myReads long-read sequencing services, we start by learning what you need, understanding your project, your goals, your constraints, before we begin preparing your first course. We operate as an extension of your team, designing a modular, course-by-course plan built precisely around your project's needs and budget. Even the most difficult starting materials are handled with care. Our high molecular weight DNA extraction services transform multiple sample types into the high-quality ingredients every great dish requires. At the heart of every myReads long-read project is the PacBio Vega system, unrivaled accuracy, built-in methylation calling, and the capacity to serve a single guest, or a full house. From library preparation to sequencing to long-read data analysis, our team takes great care to ensure that each course is of the highest quality and made to your specifications. And we'll provide updates along the way, so you know when to expect delivery. You receive just what you ordered, nothing more, nothing less, securely delivered with no surprises. Your research deserves a menu built around you. Contact our team to get started.